Why to use trade finance for imports and exports. Are you looking to expand your business over horizons? Do you require any kind of assurance or guarantee to build the trust bridge between you and your counterparty? Here comes the importance of trade finance. Why to use trade finance? Facilitates local and global trade transactions. Reduces the risk involved in trading. Reduces cash flow issues. Gives confidence to deal with unknown parties. How to get trade finance. To get trade finance support from good rated banks at zero collateral, you can contact us at any time. We will help you by facilitating the required trade finance facility in just 48 hours. Contact us. Email us support@bwtradefinance.com. Call us 97145519699. Phone or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487761. Visit www.bwtradefinance.com.